Hi, I'm Brian Donegan, President of Weather Tech Renovations. We are Better Business Bureau A+ rated, Google 5-star rated, certified, licensed, and insured commercial roofing experts. We've been providing exceptional service to contractors and commercial property owners in both Kansas and Missouri for over 20 years, and we have a passion for perfection. From roofing inspections to new installations, maintenance and repair, our highly skilled crew of commercial roofing technicians' attention to detail is what sets this team apart. We partner with the best roofing product manufacturers in the industry: Gaco, Owens Corning, JF, CertainTeed, Carlisle, Versico, Castagra, just to mention a few. And every commercial roofing project we complete is backed not only by rock-solid product manufacturer warranties, but also Weather Tech Renovations' own Workmanship Guarantee. Weather Tech Renovations offers a wide variety of quality commercial roofing options, from thermoplastic TPO, EPDM, coated systems, metal, standing seam, modified bitumen, and more. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more about our commercial services, view our work, or request a free roofing consultation and estimate. Weather Tech Renovation prides itself on providing every commercial customer with our white glove treatment. We look forward to providing you the very best commercial roofing products, services, and satisfaction.